In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project time tracking Zoho books. By the end, you'll have a clean, trackable project set up with the right billing method and budgets in place, so your time entries roll neatly into your invoices and reports. First, open your Zoho Books account and head to the time tracking area. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this in the main navigation. This section is where you manage timesheets, so it's the right place to begin. Inside time tracking, go to projects. This is your hub for creating and managing all project-related time entries. Here you can see your existing projects, their status, and create new ones. Click the new button to start a fresh project. This opens the project creation form where you'll enter the details that drive billing and reporting. Begin by entering a clear project name. Pick something specific and consistent with how your team names projects, so it's easy to filter and search later. Avoid special characters or internal codes that might confuse others who will be logging time. Next, select the customer name. This links the project to the correct contact for invoicing. Make sure you select the exact customer you intend to bill, especially if you work with multiple entities under similar names. Now, choose the billing method. This determines how time converts into billable amounts. Common options include a single project rate, user-based rates, or task-based rates. If you want the same rate for all time logged, choose a project-level rate. If different team members or tasks should bill differently, pick the method that aligns with how you plan to invoice. Enter the rate per hour. This is used when your billing method relies on a project or user rate. Double-check the currency and ensure it matches your invoicing settings. You can adjust this later if your agreement changes, but setting an accurate rate now helps keep your first invoices clean. Add a cost budget. This reflects your internal costs, what it takes to deliver the project. Think of it as your spending guardrail, useful for profitability tracking and alerts. Then enter a revenue budget. This is the amount you expect to bill. Setting it helps you monitor progress toward targets and spot margin issues early. Finally, click Save. Your project is now created and ready for time entries. With the name, customer, billing method, rate, and budgets in place, you're set up for accurate time tracking and clear financial insights as the work progresses.